how are you all doing? Warm welcome to the channel. I'm going to take the dog out today, but I'm not going to put on the lead at all. First time ever. I mean, I let her go off the lead when I'm out sometimes, and I come back and put her back on the lead. But today I'm going to walk her straight out the van without the lead and see how she gets on. She should be alright. Excuse my throat. Got a bit of a bloody bug or something. I don't know whether it's COVID or whatever. I need to get down to Brodick and get a COVID test just in case it is, because even though I'm not by anyone, I do have visitors, but if I know I've got COVID, then I won't answer the door. Like, I'll just out the window and say, whoever it is, sorry, I've got COVID, I can't see you today. So I need to get down to the chemist and get a test kit. I think you can get them from the chemist. Can you get them from the chemist? I think you can. You can buy them online, so I should imagine you can get them from the chemist. So I feel a bit bloody shit at the moment. My head's full, my eyes are bloody sore bloody throat, dodgy stomach. Well, not dodgy stomach, like just aching all over. I think I had COVID a couple of years ago. It's not as bad, like, it's just like a heavy cold. Bloody hell, can't moan too much. You know what men are like, eh? When we get a bit of a bug, we're dying. So I've had that, well, about 4 or 5 days ago. I thought it was something that I ate, because I had a chicken curry pie. And I thought it was that the next day. I didn't feel very well at all. This was about 4 days ago. I didn't feel very well at all. And I thought, well, it's the pie. But it's gone on for 4 days. And now it's in my chest, in my throat. Headache every bloody morning when I wake up. Fucking hell. And it's been a couple of nice sunny days and I've not been able to do anything, because can't go out the van until I know whether it's COVID or not, because I don't want to be around people. You know, I don't want to bloody well spread it, for God's sake. But so I'll quickly pop down to the chemist in the morning, down at Brodick, and get a test just to see whether it is. It might be just a bit of a cold. But I think it is COVID, more than sure it is. Anyway, I've got to get out. Still got to take the dog to work, you know. We can't, I'm not doing nothing, even though I've been stuck in the van most of the time, just resting up. Can't be bothered to bloody move. But of course, I've got to take Skye out tonight. My little baby down there. She has to go out, doesn't she? Got to look after Skye, eh? No matter about me. So we're going to try that today, try and perk myself up a bit in the sunshine as well. Lovely jubbly. Hopefully, if it is a bug, it won't last more than a week. There you go. We got a bug. We got a bug on the island. Had quite a few visitors over the last 2 months, so I don't know whether someone brought it with them or what. I don't know, but so it might just be a flu. Mixing with humans, eh? That's what you get. That's the beauty about being a lone van lifer. You rarely get bugs like this. I mean, when I was at Galloway, I was there for months and months and months without seeing one. Then we got bugs, or Skye, on the Isle of Skye as well, months and months. But as soon as you get around people, you pick up bugs, don't you? Same as going to Burnbury with my children, you know, I can pick up bugs there when I go there. It's weird, isn't it? It just shows you don't get them much when you're out on your own in the van life. Anyway, stop rambling, Steve, stop going on, stop feeling sorry for yourself. Get on making films, get out there, get your finger out your back arse. Let's do something. Let's take a dog for a walk out. Look.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Well, after a bit of a sleepless night, I didn't sleep at all well last night, coughing and spluttering, and the bloody headache was tremendous. I'm feeling a little bit bright this morning, the sun's shining, so we're going to get out with Skye, get her off the lead, and see how we do today. And hopefully feel a bit better in the bright sunshine we've got today. It's lovely out there. Right, we're going to have a look at this lovely trail that I'm on. I've been up here before. You've seen this trail before. It's one of my base camps. I'm going to have a look around, mate. Oh, lovely. I might have a kip this afternoon. Lovely jubbly. Right, you Bulgarian nutter. I'm going to take you for a walk, but we're not going to put the lead on you today. Now, you be good. You listening? No running off. Yeah, you know what I mean. You don't run away from Daddy. You stay by Daddy's side. You can have a little bit of a run, but don't go too far, okay? We'll take you for a walk without your lead. You can look at me with those eyes, you Bulgarian nutter. You ready? You ready to go? You gonna be good? Stay with Daddy. No running off. You listening to me? Go. Nicely, Skye. We're not going to bolt off, are we? You're going to walk with Daddy. You can have a little run if you want to. Not too far. No lead. Come here. Oi, oi. Good girl. Up the hill. Up the trail. Up here, Skye. Come on. Look at that lovely green pasture where the water's running through. Lovely, eh? A little glen. It's nice and green because it's got a wee burn trickling through. We'll have a little walk up the trail. See she behaves, eh? Lovely jubbly. Right, she's looking to do a wee-wee. Alright, so we'll go a little. The trail's closed today. I've been up here before in Christine. We parked up on top of this trail a couple of months ago. You nicely, Skye. Not too far. You good girl. Lovely. Oh, what a lovely evening. You all know this camp, guys. It's one of my favourite base camps. Having a walk with my pooch off a lead. Where is she? Where is she? She's there somewhere. Where's she going? Oh, there she is. With my pooch off the lead. Lovely jubbly. The Bulgarian nutter. We're getting her well trained now. Oh, look at that view over there, folks. Is that not magnificent? Out to the mountain range there, all in the clouds. Lovely, lovely evening walk. Oh, we've had rain for a couple of days. It's still not quite clear, but I think there's some nice weather coming. The wind's blowing a bit as well now. But at least it's blowing all the little mozzies away, which is nice. And a lovely sunset down there tonight, hopefully. Get there on time lapse. Where's she going? Skye. Come on. Lovely. Skye, a stick, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Oi, oi, Skye. Come on, come on, come on. Here she goes. The Bulgarian nutter. Without a lead, and she's not running off away from me. It's a bit breezy up here. Skye having a mooch about. Oh, don't go in there, Skye, stoop. What's she doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You fall in there, no wonder. You monkey. Come on, back to the van now. Good girl. Come on, Skye, you know where home is. Good girl. Well, there we go, guys. I think that was a success. Took her for a walk without the lead. No problem at all. She didn't run off for nothing. Let's get inside Christina. Oh. Dinner. Come on, there you go. Look at that. That is a success. No lead. She didn't run off. She was a good girl. Lovely. You're a good girl, Skye. Daddy's proud of you. Pulled off a bloody bush off the side of the road, his back of his van. What is that about? What's going on down there, Skye? It's all a bit weird. What's going on there, guys? Nowhere to go with his bush. All a bit weird. Strange things going on in the wilderness. Right, so guys, if I can get my arse into gear, get myself sorted, get a bit better hopefully. The next video will be the Forest of the Falls. Some really interesting points of interest up there, just a wee bit further up the coast. Lovely jubbly. Here's my lovely Skye. Lovely pooch, the mad nutter from Bulgaria.